In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dev error 12502 on Modern Warfare 3. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the following are some of the possible fixes for this dev error. So for PS4 and PS5, you just need to restore the licenses. So the solution is intended for only PlayStation users. So for PS4, go to settings from the home screen and head over to the account management section. Now navigate to restore licenses. Finally, select restore and wait for the process to complete. Now for PS5, go to settings and select user and accounts. Now select other and then find restore licenses. Now select restore. Next is you want to turn off on-demand texture streaming for all platforms. So some users have reported that turning off on-demand texture streaming has helped them resolve the issue. So to turn this off, simply go to your settings menu and select graphics. Then head over to the quality tab. Scroll down to the Textures and Quality section and find On-Demand Texture Streaming and turn it off. So it will not allow the game to download textures in the background as you play. Next is you want to verify the integrity of game files. So if you're using Steam, so simply go to your Steam game library, right-click on Call of Duty and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files from the left panel, and finally select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now if you're using Bottle.net, simply launch it and go to the Call of Duty HQ tab. Now click on the cog wheel next to the play button, select the scan and repair option. Now select begin scan and click on yes when prompted. So for the Xbox app, simply launch the Xbox app, select Call of Duty from the list of installed games, right click on it and select the manage option. Now click on the files tab from the top right menu and select verify and repair. And that's it. So hopefully this methods or fixes will fix the dev error problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.